A massive winter storm is brewing for the local area as we head towards this upcoming weekend, whether we're ready for it or not, all right? In fact, the National Weather Service has issued several winter weather alerts to account for this, all right? Not only for us, but all the way from the southern plains back into the northeast. Winter storm watches in the blue, winter storm warnings in the pink there. So definitely an impactful storm coming together here. Watch as it comes together tomorrow on your big picture outlook, all right? Notice here ice and snow breaking out in the southern and central plains, areas that don't really see it very often. But look at this, it starts to make a close call. Midwest dealing with heavy snow and freezing rain as we headed towards Saturday afternoon. Saturday night, the snow begins to reach our area and overspread our area. And then by Sunday, it is just going to be a snowy, wintry mess across the area with some very impressive snow rates expected. And we'll take a closer look here in a more detailed version on your Weather 3 daily forecast or big picture forecast, whatever you want to call it. All right, tomorrow again, we're fine. Saturday, we'll likely start to see some light snow moving in. This isn't going to be impactful. But starting Sunday morning, this is when we're going to start getting the impactful snow in here. And by Sunday afternoon, widespread heavy snow, plainly put, for the entire area. Again, some very impressive 1 to 2 inch per hour rates can come out of this. And then as we head in towards Monday morning, that all of this finally exits. It is going to be a mess around here still as we head towards Monday. Because look at how much snow we're going to get. Upwards of a foot to possibly locally more across the area, all right? Plainly put, the potential of 12 plus inches exists area-wide. So this is a big deal winter storm, folks. Nothing to play around with. Taking a look here at the timeline, again, Saturday night, snow starts lifting in. It's going to start picking up in intensity as we head towards Sunday morning. Roads will already be nasty waking up, all right? Even though you saw light to moderate rates, it's still going to be nasty, and that's only going to get worse as we head towards Sunday afternoon. Heavy snow coming down area-wide, 1 to 2 inches per hour within the heaviest areas of snow, within the heavy snow, all right? So isn't that nice? Taking a look here at the overall overview, a major winter storm is coming on Sunday. It is going to bring significant snowfall accumulations upwards of a foot or locally more. We will likely have also winter storm warnings. You saw the winter storm watches in our area. Could see those warnings start to extend in our area as we head in towards tonight, tomorrow, and especially as we head in towards the morning hours of Saturday, approaching the event start time. Taking a look here at things you could do to prepare. Run your errands ASAP, all right? Just get them out of the way as soon as possible, because once this thing moves in, it is ground zero for nasty road conditions. If you have flights, if your family members or friends have flights, I would not be shocked if their flight is canceled, all right? This is the type of winter storm that could ground several flights, and even if you're driving on wheels like a car, bus, or truck, it is going to be still very nasty. I definitely don't encourage travel. It could become actually impossible, heck, as we headed towards Sunday evening. And this is just going to be the biggest snowstorm we've had actually since February of 2022. So please take this seriously, folks. I'm Weather 3 News meteorologist Ethan Ferrari. Stay warm, stay safe.